What's up, guys? It's Lee here, the bartending, photo boothing, rental guy, and today we're talking about marketing the marquee letters. So whether you're building a set of marquee letters for yourself or you've downloaded the letters that I'm currently building and want to market them, then this is all about one of the marketing funnels that I'm going to present to you, because you're downloading these, lots of people are downloading them, lots of people are building them, and now I should give you ways to learn how to sell them, and I should do lots of the hard work, take the pictures of them so that you don't have to spend hours and hours taking pictures in so many variations. You can just have the pictures there ready at your disposal with these letters custom to the fonts that we have ready for you to download. Let's get into it. Okay, guys, I want to introduce my first marketing campaign for the Light Up Marquee letters. This one will work with Facebook groups if you do it correctly. You're more than welcome to do this funnel on your own. However, I've taken the hard work of taking hundreds of pictures and putting them in different variations and putting it all together in a marketing package so that you can make this funnel work for you if you've purchased the letters from me and Les, or you're building a set of letters on your own. The reason why this funnel works so well is because Facebook wedding groups already have your target demographic of people that you're trying to sell the letters to bundled into one place. So that's the first thing you have to do is go join wedding groups on Facebook. So go do that right now. So this little photo paired with the words I'm about to tell you are all that you need to start this funnel. Okay, this should read, we have A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z, and 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 are coming soon. If you're interested in seeing what your initials look like, number 1, drop your initials in the comments. Example, T and B equals Tim and Barb. Number 2, when we get into our rental shop on the next business day, we will put your letters together and take a picture of them and reply with the image inside the comments. 3, once you see your custom picture as a reply to your comment and like it, then we can DM you a discounted quote, and then you can decide if you want to book once you see what kind of discount you get. The discounts are going to be from 5% to 50% off our standard rental rates. Number 4, bonus. We are giving 5 of these rentals away for free this month. So if you comment below, you might not get a discounted quote from us, but instead a message saying that your rentals are absolutely free. Our letters can also be booked instantly at our website. And that is exactly what you need to say to get people moving on this and get some quotes out there and get new customers. The main idea is to get people commenting, liking on the post so that Facebook knows to keep it towards the top of the posts within the group. Okay, so people love things to be custom. People also love to do what other people do. It's just like follow the sheep. So the objective is to get the people to comment with their initials using the provided photo. And then once you get a comment or two, the other people will jump in and the train will start the commenting train, and you will gain some serious juice on your post. The key is also to offer value so that people have a reason to comment. They want those free letters that you're giving away, so that's the reason why they're going to comment. But you also want your post to be a bit mysterious so that it intrigues them. They're wondering, what kind of value am I going to get out of this? The way to do this is to tell them that they're going to get a discount between 5 and 50% off the rental when they put in their initials below. So that's the thrill of the chase. People want that. They feel like they're playing the lottery. Since I've started doing this funnel, I've realized that the people who comment, I send them quotes, and they're adding things like photo booths, tablecloths, other decor items, and I've kind of got them roped in so they will come back and rent again. The other important part to make this work is to have the alphabet ready so that you can take the photos to present to people in the comments. So if you're currently building my letters, I've taken the hard work out of the equation. I've started making a marketing package so that you can have all the pictures at your disposal. When people want something presented, their initials, then you could just post the picture right there. I'm literally taking 729 pictures to get all this together so that I can have every picture for your marketing package to make this funnel work. This funnel works. I did it myself, obviously. Just so you know, I don't quite yet have the marketing package together yet, so I'm putting it together. But if you're watching this maybe a week or 2 after I've already posted it, the marketing package should be together, and I'll have the link posted available up above. Anyways, I gotta go. Got things to do. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please sub to the channel, press that like button, and we'll see you on the next one. You stay classy. And just so you're wondering, I can fit the whole alphabet on top of one of these Husky racks with just one shelf in the middle.